In this section, let's talk about building better open source software projects. In the previous section, we talked more from the perspective of the individual user or developer. Here we want to talk about how to properly lead such a project. And the first thing is to exercise leadership and not just control. Leadership is important. You shouldn't just tell people what to do. You need good mentors to help other people on the project, etc., instead of just expecting people to come in and know exactly what to do. The second part of this module has to do with encouraging diversity in a number of different ways, including sex and sexual identity, including race and national origin, language, including religion, politics, and just generally diversity of opinion. Discussions in open source projects can be pretty complicated and they don't need extraneous interference from these kind of issues. The point is that the more people that can be involved and work comfortably, the more contributions you can get and the better product you can produce. And finally, we want to talk about the important role played by GitHub and other web hosting providers who give a home to open source projects on the internet that makes it easy for people to collaborate, to make changes, to distribute them, etc. It is the availability of this in millions of projects, for example, on GitHub that has enabled open source software to become the dominant method of software development today.